Hi, this is Idan from One Person's Opinion, and now we're going to talk about this Ryobi glue gun, the P305. Okay, that's a portable glue gun. It uses an 18 battery from the One Plus series of Ryobi. This is one that comes with a kit. It's a 1.3 amp hour battery, 18 volt. And you can also use any of their 18 plus series batteries. General impression, it gets the job done. I like it very much because it keeps me mobile. I used to have a corded one. It did a decent job, but it took a long time to heat up, and I was always tied to an outlet, and I didn't imagine that I would need a portable one until I got one, and then I started to use it a lot often, and I don't regret it. I like it very much. This is the on-off switch. As you can see, you can hardly see it's on. When it's on, it hits the element and the glue stick that comes through here, and after a minute or two you can start using it by pressing with 2 fingers here. Very convenient. It's mushy, but this is how glue guns work. They're mushy because they're pushing a mushy stick, but it's very convenient. 2 fingers, and then you can leave it like that and it stands by itself. Very convenient. It costs about $150 with the battery and the charger. I don't have the charger here because the charger I have is a quick charger, and it's a different one from the one that sells on the kit, so I'm not showing it. But you can buy it if you have the batteries and the charger from other Ryobi products. You can buy it for $50, about $50, bare tool. I'm not going to talk about the uses of a glue gun, because if you don't know the uses of a glue gun, you don't need a glue gun. I assume that who watches this needs a glue gun. A little bit about the competitors. I didn't see many competitors with a battery, portable glue guns that compete, and those that I saw were either too flimsy or too expensive. This sits right in the middle. It's a very useful, reliable glue gun. It's fast to heat up, about a minute or two to heat up, and the capacity is also quite decent. You can push quite a lot of stick before it lets you know that you need to wait a bit. I'm going to put it like that because I just turned it on like a minute ago, and it starts heating up at the end here, as you can see. And to summarize, I like about it that it hits pretty fast. It has a decent capacity, and it's very mobile. So it makes it very handy. I don't like about it that the indication for it to being on is almost not seen in daylight. So you might forget it like that and drain the battery. And another thing that I wanted to see, I don't know if you can see it right now, it drips. It drips when it's not in use. And this is something that I think it's just with my glue gun, because I saw different reviews and I saw the advertising. It has a nozzle that's supposed to prevent this dripping. This is one of this gun's advantages, that it doesn't drip, but mine does, as you can see. And if I'm going to leave it like that for a few minutes, it will keep on dripping. I'll take the camera off just for a second so you can see from the side how it looks when it drips. Sorry about this footage. You can see it keeps on dripping very slowly but steady. So So this is something I don't like about it, but it's not a big deal if you're putting it on a bench top or a table that you're working on. You just have to clean it after you finish. But if you put it over a paper or your work, it can be a problem. Okay, this is my review of the Ryobi glue gun. It's relatively cheap. It gets the job done very nicely. It drips, but I like it. Good luck with your purchase. If you decide to buy one, I have a link in the description below, and you can support my channel if you want to. And also, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.